All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Malibu. It is the LT model. It's beautiful silver with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, got backup camera, alloy wheels, sunroof, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks nice. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Let's check out your tire tread, which is just under 730 seconds. Let's double check it. Yeah, above 6, under 7. This door looks good. This rear door does have a dent here. No paint off. About 3. Let me see this thing. About 3 to 4 inches right here. Actually, it goes from here to here. It's 3. Yeah, about 4 to 5 inches. Alright, that's about it. Let me inspect this door better. And there's another dent over here, about 1 inch. Right up in the corner there. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread is just at the line of 730 seconds, as you can see. Does it have a dent here? It's got a small dent here, no paint off, about 1 inch, 2 inches. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dents or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat, as you can see. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with the 1-key fob combo and owner's manual. It's a push start system.
Hashtag New York Sunsets.
All right. Get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, all that good stuff. You get your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. Stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have an airbag light on. And your mileage of 13,339. Turn on the lights. Open up the trunk. Actually, it opens up from the back. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. It does have an armrest with cup holders and your sunroof from the inside. Coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear deck lid looks nice. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like, pretty nice, big and spacious. There is a spare tire here. Boom, with some tools, and then I tucked away your owner's manual right there. All right. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Tire tread is just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good there. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim does have some curbing. Let's see, 3, 6, about 8 inches. Tire tread under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Chevy Malibu LT model with 13,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.